สวัสดีทุกคนมื้อนี้อยู่ที่วังเวียงจะพาทุกคนมาฝึกภาษาอังกฤษตามเคยมื้อนี้อาจจะได้ฝึกกับสาวเกาหลีสาวอังกฤษก็แล้วแต่เนาะเฮาเบื่อแล้วฝึกภาษาอังกฤษอยู่ในเมืองมาลองฝึกอยู่แถวบรรยากาศดีๆแบบนี้บางเทื่อทุกคนอาจจะจื้อได้ง่ายกว่ากันเป็นอย่างไรนั้นก็ติดตามได้เลย
My name is San Kim.
Yeah and two of you okay and you
Thai Kim.
Thai Kim
Hae
and
Kim.
San Kim. S-A-N.
So where you from first okay
Korea, South Korea.
South Korea and which city
We are from Seoul,
Sure, the
Seoul,
capital city
capital
of South
city
Korea.
of South
Okay.
Korea.
Is this your first time in Vang Vieng?
Yeah, this is my first time.
How did you know Vang Vieng?
Oh, actually, I heard Angbiang has a lot of activities
Yeah.
like 뭐지? Zip line,
Yeah,
zip
Chip
line, and tubing.
Tubing.
Tube,
Yeah, Tubing. I know that
tubing.
Tubing along the Song River, right?
Yeah, right.
So do they have the advertisements on TV program about to visit Laos in your country in the TV?
In TV?
On
In
TV?
TV?
On TV, sir.
No,
No?
maybe not.
Uh-huh.
But there is, but
Yeah.
it doesn't show a lot of time.
Yeah.
So we couldn't see any
Yeah.
commercial
Yeah.
of Laos or
Yeah.
Bang Bieng.
So what did you know about Laos before you come here?
Before, like
Yeah.
3 years ago,
Yeah.
there is some Korean TV show.
Yeah.
Some Korean celebrity come here and take a lot of
I get that. Like
Oh.
we got oppa. Yeah. you
Oh,
can-
Oppa, yeah. So
They came here a
everybody
lot.
watching that.
Yeah.
So everybody was like,
yeah,
oh,
yeah, I
I
got
want to
that.
go there. Yeah.
So that's amazing. So would you like to come here again?
Oh, this is my first time actually.
So, yeah. Do you like here?
so-
Do you like here?
Yeah, I like here so far.
Yeah.
so
What
good.
do you like about here?
We take a bicycle.
Yeah, bicycle.
A bicycle from Bang Bieng
Yeah.
to here.
To here?
So
Wow.
very beautiful
Yes,
sights.
Yeah.
The natural,
Uh-huh.
the cows just walking in the street.
Okay.
Yeah, I really like it.
Yeah, thank you. So where have you been to in Laos? Only here in Vang Vieng or somewhere else?
Only Bang Bieng.
Only yeah.
3 days.
Yeah. Thank you too. Yeah. So how to say thank you in Korean?
감사합니다.
What is that?
감사합니다. 감사합니다.
감사합니다. 감사합니다.
니다.
Okay, thank you. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Yeah. Yeah.